Trigonometric R.S. Agarwal book. This is example third from page number 302. Okay. Now go to the problem. So prove that cos A by 1 minus tan A plus sin by cot A 1 by cot A. Okay. Equal to. So you have to prove this is equal to, left hand side is equal to cos A plus sin A. Okay. So this is our question. So usually we should take LHS and we derive into RHS. Okay. So same process we are going to apply. So before that we should recall some basic things. Tan A can be written as sin A by cos A. Okay. Similarly, cot A equal to cos A by sin A. Okay. So cot theta is a reciprocal of tan. So 1 by tan A. So you have three options. You can substitute that. Okay. RHS equal to cos A plus sin A. So you have to derive all the LHS terms into cos in terms of sin. Okay. So that is you should keep in your mind. Okay. So take your LHS. So cos A divided by 1 minus secant tan A. So we are going to write sin A by cos A. Okay. So this is plus sign and sin A divided by 1 minus cos A by sin A, because this is cot. Okay. Now we have to take LCM. Okay. So how will you take that? See, take this 1 and this is 1. So we have to cross multiply. So cos A divided by cross multiplication. See this one and this one. So 1 into cos A minus 1 into sin A. So the denominator just multiply 1 into sin. 1 by cos plus. See this is sin A by, see, again cross multiplication. So sin A minus cos A. So the denominator it is sin A. Okay. So what do we do in the next step? You just keep the numerator as it is, and in the denominator, this is your denominator, you just give the reciprocal. Okay. So we'll get a clear idea. Okay. So cos A by cos A minus sin A. Okay. So plus sin A, take the reciprocal of the denominator. Okay. So sin A by sin A minus cos A. Okay. Very good. So the numerator we have cos square A by cos A minus sin A plus this is sin square A by sin A minus cos A. Okay. So but we didn't get still the RHS. Okay. But see the numerator, students. Okay. So the numerator it's most likely equal, but it not exactly, because here cos minus sin, this is sin minus cos. So we have to equal this. So for that we can take a minus outside. Okay. See how will you take? This is cos square A by cos A minus sinus. So first keep the first fraction as it is plus sin square A. See in the denominator, okay, we are taking out minus 1. So what do we get? Sin will be minus and cos will be positive. See the negative cos, here it is positive and sin will be negative. Okay. So the numerator we have to equalize the denominator. Okay. So the minus will come this side. Okay. So this is cos square A by cos A minus sin A. So the denominators are equal. See, cos A minus sin A. Okay. Now see the denominators are equal. Cos square A minus sin square A by cos A minus cos A. Okay. So more or less equal. So take it as this is a square and this is b square. Okay, a square minus b square. So how will you write? A plus b, a minus b. So cos a plus sin a, cos a minus sin a. Okay, so denominator we have cos a minus sin x. Okay, now you can cancel this one. So we get cos a plus sin a. Okay, so is this RHS? See, what is your RHS? Yes, so this is our RHS. Okay, so we got our answer with very simple steps. Okay, just taking cross multiplication and only algebraic equation. Okay, we have used. So we got our RHS. Okay, students, do you understand, ma? So with very simple, you can do this problem simply and carefully, and please watch 2 times the video and do the problem. So this problem is, which is very important, taking one outside. So that is where you are taking. So here, yes, so in this term we are taking outside because we should equalize the numerator. Okay, so I hope you all understand. Thank you.